Breaking news, Nigerians. Falana reacts to Supreme Court judgment, insists Tinubu should be held accountable. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Foremost human rights lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Falana said he was not in any way surprised by the Supreme Court judgment, which paved the way for the swearing-in of the President-elect Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) on Monday, May 29. Falana stated this in an exclusive interview with Vanguard on Saturday. Record that the appeals court, in a unanimous decision by the five-member panel, dismissed as lacking in merit an appeal the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP) filed to quell Tinubu's eligibility to contest the presidential election that held on February 25th. It held that the appeal marked XC/CV/501/2023 was brought before it in bad faith, stressing that the PDP, whose candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar came second in the presidential contest, was bereft the local standee, that is legal right, to challenge a nomination that was made by another political party. PDP had, in his appeal, prayed the court to void Tinubu's candidacy, alleging that the Vice President-elect Senator Kasim Shettima had, prior to the 2023 general elections, allowed himself to be nominated for more than one constituency. It told the court that Shettima was nominated twice, both for the Borno Central senatorial seat and for the vice presidential position. But speaking on the developments, Falana noted that he was not surprised because he knew the Federal High Court and the Court of Appeal respectively dismissed the action. The legal luminary said the Supreme Court merely upheld the concurrent judgments of the two law courts. Falana said, under the current electoral regime, all those who have been cleared by the INEC and given their certificate of return shall be sworn in on the 29th of May. That is the law. The petition against many of them would be determined with the period of 180 days. If there are appeals arising from the judgment of the tribunal or the Court of Appeal, they shall be determined within 60 days, he added. Falana, however, said he expects his colleagues not to have confused the public because, apart from the president-elect, all the governors elected on the platform of the Labour Party and the PDP are going to be sworn in on the 29th of May. All the legislators elected on the platform of the PDP, Labour Party, and all of them will be inaugurated on the 29th of May. So, frankly speaking, I don't know what all the halabaloo is all about, he added. The Sun noted that as a court under the Electoral Act 2022, the Federal High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court have repeatedly maintained that only members of the political party can challenge the conduct of primary in their party, and strangers or outsiders lack the local standee to challenge the conduct of the primary if people want to ask for an amendment of the law. That could be the next stage, Falana said. When asked his expectation from the incoming government, Falana simply said the responsibility lies on the media to check the manifestos on the media, the manifestos of Tinubu one by one and find out whether he is going to implement them, he said. Nigerians have reacted. If there should be a fatal revolution in Nigeria. The most targeted should be the so-called government lawyers because they have spoiled our democracy, thereby rendered Nigeria useless, given power to the highest bidder without minding the implications and after effects to the masses, given power to whosoever pays the highest money, even though you came last during any elections. May God save our nation. Falana stand neither here or there. Very corny. I am not worried about inaugurational because they have paved way. They paved way for him, but waiting for the tribunal to assess their capacity on delivering a fortiori for this country. I patiently keep waiting. The same Supreme Court, whether you mean made Obi to become governor, dead brain. Why should people be surprised? Surprised when the first a lady tattooed Tinubu's cap logo on their two palms and displayed to the entire nation and the world and said the presidency is expressway for Tinubu and that the election was just for PDP and APC. So you want her to wear Labour Party logo? Can't you reason always abusing people, okay? Because he abused, I don't just want to take that. Can't you reason always abusing people here? Note that a system that favors you today may work against you tomorrow. These are reactions from Nigerians. Okay, guys, you've all heard it now. What's your take on this? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you for this coming out here.